I'm Wonkster1970, and today I'm going to be installing this engine maintenance kit by Stenz on the Toro Time Cutter SS 5000. Let's get started. This kit comes with 2 quarts of oil, 2 spark plugs, air filter, pre-filter, fuel filter, and oil filter. First thing I'm going to do is take out the air filter, and to do that you just turn this wing nut for the clamp, pull this off, clean some of that crap out of there, put on the pre-filter. I think it even says in here, so you don't oil these. Slide this back in here. Make sure that this is in nice and tight. Tighten this clamp back down. Don't over tighten. Put this back. The hose, that's going to fit over the end of the drain down there. I don't know what size this is. Hopefully it fits. There we go. Got to get my drain pan down there, the hose that I've got on it, and this takes a 10mm closed wrench. So this is plastic. I'm just going to loosen that up and open up the oil filler cap. Up a drain. And we're draining. I'm gonna go and take this oil filter off, and I'm gonna put a pad underneath it to collect the oil. Okay, I'm turning the oil filter off. I'm still getting a mess down there, but hopefully that pad will collect most of it. And then I gotta clean the base off of the filter housing, and then get the new filter. Filter I'm going to be installing is the Stenz 120-485. Today's date on the oil filter, so I know when I changed it. Put the new oil filter down in there. Got the base cleaned off. Gonna snug it with the housing and then hand tighten it. That should be good. Clean up any mess that I left down here. Should have about all the oil drained out of it. So I'm going to tighten that drain valve back up. And don't go too crazy on it because, like I said, it is just plastic. Going to be installing this Stenz Shield Lubricant 4-cycle engine oil, SAE 10W40. Should take 2 quarts. Move the seat up and out of the way so I can get in here a little bit better. There's it right there. Let's check it. This says, do not turn cap on threads to check oil. It is still in the ad. So I'm going to get the other quart. Put this in without spilling anything. It's about half. Let's check it. Set full. Let's start it up quick. And then check it again. Set low again. Put some more oil in it. It is right on the full line. So it didn't take quite 2 quarts. I'm going to remove the boot. And this should be a 13/16 socket to take this off. It's that one. You get the replacement. Got the gap set at approximately 30 thousandths. I'm going to start the new one in by hand. This is a BPR 4ES NGK. Just going to tighten it down. Snug that down, not too crazy. There we go. Should be about 18 foot-pounds. Something like that. Let's go to the other side. Same for this side. Check that one, I think it's set at 30. That was set at approximately 30 thousandths. Snug that up. Put the boot back on. I'm going to get the fuel filter, replace that. This is our replacement fuel filter. It's a 120-562. So I'm going to get these clamps off. Oops. The clamp on there. Make sure I'm going the right way. Yep, flow. Try and get a hold of it with. Clamp up on there. Sure it's on there nice and good. Yep, that should be good. Move the hose, drain hose. Clean up any oil. residue here. Start her up and check for leaks, and I think we're done. So for installing the Stens maintenance kit on the Toro Time Cutter SS5000. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.